I'm Richard Fair, I'm 38 and I drive for McIntyre Transport. The length of time I've been driving trucks is roughly about 10 years. The overall perception of this truck is very, very good. There's plenty of visibility out of the front windscreen and around the sides, fantastic mirrors. It's quite positive as well when we take steering, when we take movements. The steering is very positive and it gives you a good feedback.
My name is Paul Davey. I'm the Head of Corporate Affairs for Hutchison Ports in the UK, and Hutchison Ports own and operate the Port of Felixstowe. The Port of Felixstowe is the largest container port in the UK. We handle over 40% of all the containers coming in or out of the country. That equates to getting on towards 4 million standard size containers every year.
The power, if you need to overtake anything, you can put your foot down and you have plenty of power there, and it is very responsive. The responsive and the precision of this vehicle's driving is very good. The seat is very comfortable. It supports you in your lower back and your upper back.
My name is Paul Miller. I'm the Managing Director of McIntyre Transport. We're a nationwide container haulier. We specialise in containers and we service all the major ports in the UK. The Renault Truck has been chosen on the basis that it's the right cost for our business. It offers extreme reliability. It gives us good miles per gallon, which is essential in our business.